Three viruses for the human being. If the virus came for the system, then that system is not going to work properly. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? Okay. If you want a peace of mind, if you want to be like a king, if you want the respect from anywhere, if you want to succeed in your life, all these things everyone require, right?
Yes.
Wherever I
Yes.
go, the people should respect me. Next, if I'm sleeping, happily I require to sleep. Peace of mind must be required. Peace of mind must be required. Next, so I have to succeed everywhere. Whatever activities I'm going to do, I require to succeed. I have to succeed. Like all these things, if you want, then please move away from three viruses. Don't, so allow these three viruses in your life. My personal feeling. My personal feeling, it's purely personal. Okay. It's nowhere related to you. I'm not restricting you. It's my personal feeling. One is gambling. Gambling means play cards, races, betting, like without our effort, without our sweat, we should not get the money. Okay, that's my personal feeling. Okay, betting, gambling, gambling, such type of things should not allow in your life. In the richest man in Babylon, I told one wonderful point. If you got suddenly huge money overnight because of something, it will become luck or it will become curse.
Curse.
It will become curse. With the example also I explained. Have you remembered it? So gambling, easy money, such type of things, we should move very far. Okay. This is one virus for the people is easy money. Gambling. Okay. Gambling, betting. Next, casinos. Casinos. Okay, like betting, racing, like these type of things are the people. I'm very far away from these things. Okay, just play cards, all these things, gambling, betting, all these things. I never keep my finger there. The second one, okay, I told right, your my personal things. Don't think about. I'm not restricting you. Okay, that's your personal based on your wishes. Like the second one is drinking, alcohol consumption. Okay, whenever you are going to drink, our originality by default will be gone. Remember that our originality by default will be gone. So our second person will come out. second person will come out. Okay. So drinking is also, your health is going to be damaged. Your originality by default will be gone. There is no respect for you people. Okay, like in the villages we have one wonderful common word, repeated word. Arey what తాగుబోతోడ్రా వాడి మాట వినాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అంట. Have you ever heard about this one? Telugu people
Yes, sir.
especially.
Yes.
వాడు తాగుబోతోడ్రా వాడి మాట వినాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అంటాడు.
Not
Okay.
originality, sir. Originality will come out if you drink.
Not originality. Okay, don't feel not originality. That is what we call hyped personality will come out. I'm the king man. Really not king. I'm the king man. I can do anything, man. All the people are just beside me only. Just I'm top. Something like have you over drinker
Yeah.
person talk? How it will be? Is it originality?
No. Yes.
Okay, that is the second person. A number of issues. He's going to forget the reality. What he's doing also, he don't know. He don't know. Then obviously our originality by default will be gone. Okay, with that. Next, most of crimes are going to be happen after drunk only. If you want, you can cross check. Most of the crimes are going to be happen after drunk only. Okay, that's why my personal feeling is that's also one bigger virus. That's I told right. My personal feeling. You are not required to follow. If you want, you people can do that otherwise. So almost my age is 48 years. In the last 48 years, single drop of beer also not touched my tongue. In the last 48 years, single drop of beer also not touched my tongue. Oh, beer not touched, but wine may be touched, sir, like you may ask. No, no, no. Okay, beer, at least beer also. That's my main intention. Okay, sir, maybe are you going to take some wine or whiskey or brandy, something like a beer you want to take, like no. Breezer, such type of thing also. Never. I never. Okay,
No
the
liquor.
max biggest alcoholic drink what I took is thumbs up. Okay, the biggest alcoholic drink what I took up to today is thumbs up. Okay, that's my personal feeling. Okay, because that alcohol, we are going to miss our originality. Next, it's a virus kind of thing. I'm always going to feel. Srikant, getting my second virus?
Yes, sir.
My considerable. I mean, next, I'm very, very far from this. Third one is extracurricular activities. Not required to keep any explanation. So extracurricular activities means opposite illegal affairs, illegal relationships, these kind of things. Okay, which are going to disturb our peace of mind, which are going to disturb our ethics, which are going to our respect by default will be gone. The belief by default will be gone. We are not in a position to concentrate on our activities. N number of issues. Our character by default will be gone. Our character itself by default will be gone. That's why the person who is away from these three viruses, the person who is away from these three viruses, okay, is always going to behave like a king. King, wherever you go, respect will be there. Whatever activity is going to start, definitely is going to succeed. Definitely is going to succeed. Okay, peace of mind will be there. Next time, he never going to worry about anything, man. He's just a king, in my personal perspective. The person who is having at least one virus among these three, at least one virus among these three, that person never going to have full God's provided lifetime. Okay, so the person who is having over drinking habit, some liver is going to be damaged. Okay, at least a couple of years in his lifetime is going to be reduced. Okay, so illegal affairs, fear, next what we call fear, next some what we call peace of mind is going to be disturbed, but peace of mind for that some time by default will be gone. Okay, like gambling, easy money, like so these people, the person who are having at least one virus, they are not having full lifetime. In the middle only, by default, the people will go. If anyone wants centenarian, I want to become centenarian, my personal suggestion is, what I am always following, away from these things. Happy life. Okay, respectable life. By default will be there. If at least one habit is there, your character by default will be gone.